Hi students, welcome to MI Academy, and today in this video we are going to start the grade 10 chapter 5 of the business studies, accounting equation. If you have not still subscribed to MI Academy, then click the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell icon to all, so that you can watch my upcoming videos without missing. First of all, let's discuss the facts which we will be discussing in this chapter. First, we will discuss about what is accounting equation and how to construct an accounting equation. Then we will be discussing on how do business transactions affect to the accounting equation. Next, we will be discussing the situations that change the equity. First of all, let's look at what is accounting equation. All assets owned by the business should belong to the business. Therefore, assets of a business should be equal to the total ownership of those assets. To show this relationship, an equation is used, which is called as the accounting equation. If all assets are financed by the owner of the business, the accounting equation can be presented as follows. Total assets equal to total equity. When a business expands, the resources invested by owners would not be adequate. Therefore, the business will have to obtain resources from external parties. When the business borrows money, liabilities arise. When there are liabilities in the business, a part of its assets belong to debt holders. Remaining of the assets belongs to owners. In such a situation, accounting equation can be built as follows. Asset equals equity plus liabilities. So let's look at an example to get a clever understanding. Amal started a business investing Rs 500,000 in cash. Here, assets that is cash of the business is equal to Rs 500,000. And this total amount belongs to the owner Amal. Accordingly, assets equals equity that is cash 500,000 equals capital 500,000. Then if Amal had obtained a bank loan of Rs 300,000, assets of Amal's business is increased by Rs 300,000. On the other hand, it increases liabilities, bank loan of the business by Rs 300,000. Accordingly, the accounting equation including the second transaction is now depicted as assets equals equity plus liabilities. Cash 800,000 equals capital 500,000 plus bank loan 300,000. Then next let's look at situations that change the equity. Before we discuss on how business transactions affect to the accounting equation. So we know that equity is the value of ownership of the owner in the business, so the transactions that affect to change the values in the equity of the business are introducing of additional capital into the business. Then drawings, next is income and next one is expenses. The owner has to invest cash or other assets according to the needs of the business. It increases the owner's equity. The owner may withdraw money or other assets from the business for his personal use. This is called drawings. It decreases the owner's equity. Equity is increased by income and decreased by expenses. That's it, so let's look into some examples. Following are some details of binary enterprises for the year 2022. Capital is at 01 St of January 2022, Rs 358,500. Expenses for the year, Rs 128,300. Income for the year, Rs 254,620. Cash invested by the owner on June 30th, Rs 75,000. The owner's equity can be calculated as follows as at 31st of December 2022. So first is the capital is at 01 St of January 2022, Rs 358,500. As I said, we have to add the income, so here we have to add the income Rs 254,620. Then additional capital also should be added, that's Rs 75,000. So the balance is Rs 688,120. Then as I said, the expenses should be deducted from the remaining equity value. Here the expenses is rupees 128,300. Therefore the owner's equity is at 31st of December 2022 is rupees 559,820. Let's discuss the business transactions affecting to the accounting equation in the next video. Please give a support to us by subscribing to MI Academy, and also please like my videos, and add up your questions and doubts in the comments. I will try to reply them as soon as possible. Share the videos with your friends, and help them to learn quickly and easily.